The last phase of the IDE process was the analysis. For the analysis phase, we sent our module to our subject matter expert in 4 of her nutrition counseling students. At the end of the module, we embedded a SurveyMonkey survey for them to complete and provide us with feedback. We chose SurveyMonkey because it was easy to embed into our module. It provided us with a good item analysis. We were able to export the results, and our SurveyMonkey consisted of 8 questions. Some of them were multiple choice and some of them were fill in the blank. These are the survey questions. The first question asked, did this module meet the following objectives? And then we listed the objectives. Number 2, what objective needs more attention to make this module successful? Number 3, were you able to navigate through the module easily? Number 4, do you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the layout or navigating through the parts of a module? This was a short answer question. Number 5, what do you like most about this module? Please be specific. This was a short answer question. Number 6, what would you change in this module? Be specific. That was a short answer question as well. Number 7, what suggestions do you have to make this module better? That was a short answer question. And number 8, overall, how would you rate this module? And the choices were excellent, very good, fairly good, mildly good, and not good at all. Then we determined the results of the survey. We had all 5 of the participants do the survey. 5 out of 5 participants stated the objectives were achieved. The participants stated that objective 3 was the objective that needed more attention. However, objective 3 was a part of the voice thread at the end of the module, and not all of the participants completed the voice thread at the end of the module. 60% of the participants thought the module was easily navigated. We know one participant had many internet issues, and we don't think that was as a result of our module, but rather her internet. The main concerns that were brought to our attention were glitches in the layout and glitches in the navigation, like certain buttons not clicking to the right slide. They did point out a few concerns about the wording of some questions, and we did change some of the case study questions after their feedback. There was also a concern about the length of the assignment. Some of the things that the participants liked about the module was the linear layout with the introduction to assessment. They liked the resources that were provided. There was lots of external links and other resources embedded within the module. They liked the point of view of the module. They thought it was novel. They liked the case study and really understanding one person's situation and perspective. They also liked the interactivity and being able to click and drag and drop on different activities. Overall, 60% of the participants rated the module very good, and 40% of the participants rated the module fairly good. We think we can easily move up to an excellent rating with minor changes in the navigation and fixing those glitches. Based on our feedback, we think the strengths of the module was the interactivity and allowing the participants to be involved in the module. Also, the case study was a strength, and they liked being able to see one person's situation. And the resources that were provided because that would encourage future learning. We would make one change. We could potentially change the software that we used. We would do this so we all had easier access when creating the module, and then this would also allow the subject matter to make changes in the future more easily. She will be able to make changes in the future, but a different software might make that process a little bit easier. We did make other changes to the navigation as a result of the feedback, but otherwise there are very few changes we can make.